help him get it. He wanted to get it again.
Mama, let me show you what the line comes like.
Y'all don't look at me. I'm teaching you that, Carl. Look at you.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
She did her toe touch. Come on, Patty. I'm only telling her to do it because he doesn't do it often. And now we've been talking all on his tape. Hey, boy. You can run right into the sofa.
This is my baby brother walking for his first time.
Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it, walk.
Come get you. Walk it. You saw that? That was action-packed. Mama, rewind that clip.
Go ahead, good boy. I don't know where we gonna get all this long hair out of here.
Come on, Lucas.
Yeah, he says, what happened to college athletes getting a college degree?
Wait, that's her. Now go walking. No, go walking. Who told you to go walk over there?
Straighten him out, Kylie.
Now go. Now go walking.
Whoa.
There goes smile.
Boom, boom. Pick him up, Kyle. Hurry up.
Yeah, not fit in there.
Whew. I'm out of breath.
Hey, him, baby. Hey. Go get
No,
her.
that was the first clip of Asher walking.
Go get her, boom, boom.
Now let's do the roll, baby. Come on. Let's do the roll, baby. You need to learn how to do the roll, baby.
You see,